All right, time to take a look at the CPAP hose hanger. Oh, that's cool. So looking at it, it's a pretty simple thing. It's just a piece of plastic. It's got a couple of the properly sized hooks on it. And on the back here, we can see there is no adhesive on it. It does come with these two adhesive pads, so you can stick this on the back and then stick that on the wall. But what that also means is you can take whatever the heck you want to and stick it on the back of here. So if you want to get some really strong, like 3M adhesive, you can put that on the back, stick it on the wall, it'll never come off. Or even if you really want to, you could drill a hole through here and then screw that right to a stud. So lots of options. I actually kind of like that they don't have that pre-installed on there. So this is a heated hose for ResMed AirSense 11, and if we clip that on, it has got plenty of room to slide around and make sure that it's not going to be just getting kinked on anything. And we can fit that through the top loop as well, but what I'm going to be using that one for is going to be for hanging my mask on so I don't have that thing sitting on the floor. Right now I've got it sitting on my nightstand, sometimes it falls off, and then I've got this thing sitting on the floor, which is kind of gross. So with this I can actually hang that up, keep it off the floor, keep it away from the bugs and all that kind of stuff. So very nice to have this.